Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say it's rare that you find a tool year after year that you can find new uses for, and a heat gun is definitely one of them. Over the last couple of weeks, we've been testing this Furno 700 heat gun, and you'd be surprised at all the stuff you can do with this. I've used this Wagner to do things like de-thaw frozen pipes, heat shrink electrical connections, remove paint without the harsh chemicals. I've been able to shrink wrap windows for winterizing them, and even defog my headlights. One of my favorite features is also one of the simplest. It's how Wagner designed this heat gun. It's great that it can stand up vertically, or if accidentally knocked over, the heating element stays away from burning your bench top. Vertical mode is great for doing things like bending PVC pipe, running cool down mode, or even making s'mores. This is not your grandfather's old heat gun. The Wagner Furno 700 is full of innovative features like pinpoint temperature control, multiple fan settings including cool down mode, and it all shows up on its easy to read LCD display. Taking all of this into account, I think that the innovative design, the ease of use, and pinpoint temperature accuracy make the Furno 700 heat gun a Family Handyman approved product. For more videos we've tested and improved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.